Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. Today we are going to do a very important question. Please read the statement carefully. You purchased a laptop for rupees 900 after a 25% discount. These shopping related questions are very important and we need to find original price of the laptop here. We are going to do this question by using unitary method. And one important point which I am telling you, always we will consider this original price as 100% price because this is the base amount. This was the actual charge for the laptop. I'm considering it 100%. Okay. We have paid 900 rupees. How much discount was given? 25% discount. So obviously, if after discount I am purchasing something, that means I am paying lesser amount. Original price is more than the given value, right? Because this is the discounted price. Now, original price is 100%, but this 900, this is actually 75%. Why? Because 25% discount was given. If actual price was 100%, 25% discount, that means less is given to me. That means how much I have paid? I have paid 75% only. That means what I can write 75%. 75% corresponds to rupees 900. 75% I can write price here. That 75% price of the original laptop is 900. Now what is unitary method? If 75% price is 900, then find 1% price. What is 1% price? When you find for 1, that means it is the case of division. This 75 comes down. 900 divided by 75 will give you unit value. 1% price is this much. How much I need to find? I want to find original price, which is 100%. That means 100% price is equal to, if price for 1% is this much, for 100 means we will multiply by 100. You can relate it to a simple example. If you purchase 1 pen for rupees 10, how much it will cost for 5 pens? You will just multiply, right? Same way, 1 is this much, 100 is multiplied by 100. Let us calculate it. In the table of 25, I am cancelling it. 25 times 3 and 25 times 4. 3 times 1, 300. Now it is 300 multiply 4. That means 1200. So 1200 is the original price. 25% of 1200 is the discount which is given. If you try it, 25% of 1200 will be 300. So 1200 minus 300, 900, which we will pay. So same is the amount. We can verify our result as well. But the main point is we should know the meaning of unitary method. If anybody was not aware about what is unitary method, then you can drop a message in our chat box also, comment section, or you can write at our WhatsApp number 62835 05240. We will give you send you the link of another video where unitary method is explained, right? Thank you so much for watching today's video.